Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about database type and various kind of database. Relational databases, RDBMS, NoSQL databases, in-memory databases, time series databases, spatial databases, object-oriented databases. Let's enjoy. Databases come in various types, each tailored to specific data storage and retrieval needs. Here are some common types of databases. Relational databases, RDBMS. Relational databases organize data into tables with rows and columns, and relationships between tables are defined by keys. They use structured query language, SQL, for querying and manipulating data. Examples include PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server, and SQLite. Data analysis and insights. Databases serve as repositories for historical and transactional data, enabling organizations to perform in-depth analysis, generate reports, and extract valuable insights. By leveraging data analytics tools and techniques, businesses can uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that drive strategic decision-making and competitive advantage. Scalability and performance. Databases are designed to scale horizontally or vertically to accommodate growing volumes of data and increasing user demands. Whether it's adding more servers, optimizing query performance, or implementing caching mechanisms, databases provide scalability and performance features to ensure seamless operation and responsiveness. In-memory databases. In-memory databases store data primarily in system memory, RAM, rather than on disk, resulting in faster data access and retrieval. They are ideal for applications requiring high-speed data processing and low-latency access. Examples include Redis, Memcached, SAP HANA. In-memory databases. In-memory databases store data primarily in system memory, RAM, rather than on disk, resulting in faster data access and retrieval. They are ideal for applications requiring high-speed data processing and low-latency access. Examples include Redis, Memcached, SAP HANA. Time series databases. Time series databases are optimized for storing and querying time-stamped data points or measurements. They are commonly used in applications such as IoT, Internet of Things, monitoring systems, and financial analytics. Examples include InfluxDB, Prometheus, Graphite. Spatial databases. Spatial databases specialize in storing and querying geometric, geographic, or spatial data, such as maps, coordinates, and shapes. They provide spatial indexing and spatial querying capabilities for efficient spatial data management. Examples include PostGIS, extension for PostgreSQL, Oracle Spatial, MongoDB with GeoJSON support. Object-oriented databases, OODBMS. Object-oriented databases store data in the form of objects, similar to object-oriented programming languages. They support inheritance, encapsulation, and other object-oriented concepts. Examples include DB4O, ObjectDB. Wide column stores. Wide column stores are designed for storing and querying large volumes of data with high availability and scalability. They organize data into columns rather than rows, allowing for efficient storage and retrieval. Examples include Apache Cassandra, Google Bigtable. Each type of database has its advantages and use cases, and the choice depends on factors such as data structure, volume, performance requirements, scalability needs, and application-specific requirements. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.